Are you planning to ship your suitcase internationally? Follow these simple steps to measure, weigh, and wrap it correctly for a smooth shipping experience with Get My Parcel. First, grab a measuring tape and note down the suitcase dimensions, length, width, and height. Measure the length from the bottom to the top of the suitcase. Now measure the width from one side to the other. Finally, measure the height from front to back. Write these measurements down for reference while booking online. Now place your suitcase on a weighing scale. Make sure it is fully on the scale and not touching the ground for an accurate weight. Note down the weight, as it's essential for shipping cost calculations. For extra protection, wrap your suitcase securely using a plastic roll. Ensure all sides are covered to prevent scratches and keep your suitcase secure during transit. A well-wrapped suitcase keeps your belongings safe. All set, now visit getmyparcel.com. Enter your suitcase details and book your shipment hassle-free. Ship smart, ship safe with Get My Parcel.